how did you start Lil Pix?
Hmm.
What really inspired you to do that? And how was your journey? Like, if you want to tell me from zero to X very what acquisition?
With very small adding myself to a reseller group, I was able to understand कि unorganized market India में कैसे काम करता है. एक होता है people are buying from malls, shops, online.
Hmm.
Online at that point of time was evolving.
Okay.
People were just got to know about Flipkart and Amazon कि हाँ ऐसा कुछ होता है. और उस समय पे midwives वाला जो होता था ना reselling groups, ये बहुत चलता था. So all designing
Yeah.
of children wear in India at that point of time was very like orthodox or maybe desi, what we call in basic language. So then I started importing small lots through Alibaba and AliExpress. Like I used to choose some of the styles and I started reselling that to my reseller group. Then this idea came, why not to work on a fashion brand for kids, like especially girls. We used to import from China and used to send my catalogs to First Cry and Hopscotch. So at that point of time, there used to be a boutique set up in Hopscotch. So you used to get a collection, like leggings ka collection hai. There used to be 10, 15 leggings. And I used to bring 10, 15 styles and it used to be a day sales.
Okay.
So day mein, the major boutique used to be sell out. At that point of time, because online business was growing up, so Hopscotch came with this idea that we'll do a boutique system. Years of time, Hopscotch saw a lot of scope into this business. They approached us and they said we want to do this in bulk. So either you can become a buying agent for us because your selection part is very good. You can go to China for us and you can buy, and you have to stay there for some time and then you have to get the whole collection. We will do all the importing part, but you will be a buyer and you will select goods
Sure.
there. Um, Again, because my kids were very young at that point of time, and I felt I never wanted to be a buying agent for somebody.
Yeah.
I don't want to be an agent or I don't want to be just a buyer.
Yeah.
My scope is like beyond. They took a decision कि अब तो हमें तो इनसे नहीं लेना है, we will directly import it. So हमारा business हो गया ठप.
Okay.
That business stopped in 2016.
Okay.
Then I had discussion with my partner कि भाई क्या करना है, like what's the next. कि यार अब तो कुछ हो नहीं रहा, अब let's liquidate this whatever stock we have. We had at that point of time like 1,000-2,000 pieces,
Okay.
like outfits. One day I just woke up and I called my partner and I told her that let's do one thing. Either you take the whole lot and
Yeah.
you do whatever you want to do it. You take the brand name. Like at that point of time, I was like, the brand name was Little Pix only.
Okay. Sure.
So she said कि मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है इसको करने का. If you feel that let's keep it aside, तो you want to take, you can. मैंने कहा yeah, let me take it. Like जितना भी मेरा शादी का सेविंग था, तो वो जितना भी सेविंग था, I purchased पूरा वो dead stock.
Okay.
Because that day मेरे दिमाग में एक चीज आई कि यार I want to do it from scratch and let's do it in India. Met few people like आप मेरे लिए एक छोटा lot बना दोगे. I have few designs in my mind. Can you manufacture? But whenever like I used to meet with the factories, they always says कि हमारा MOQ इतना है. We cannot make something which is like
Yeah.
3,000 से नीचे हम कुछ नहीं बनाएंगे. But at that point of time, I didn't knew. So I met one lady and she was also coming from a kids wear background and she was also struggling.
Yes.
So I asked her, can you make a small lot for me? She said, okay, like क्या करना है? तो मैंने कहा ये सब fabrics है. I went to wholesale market. I bought some ready stock of cotton fabric and then I gave her few style जो मैंने बस पेन पेपर से बनाए थे because I'm not coming from fashion. I told her कि ये इसका मेरे पास कोई टेक पैक वगैरह कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ.
सिर्फ ये ऐसा गारमेंट लगना चाहिए. ये इसका डिजाइन है और ये इसका फैब्रिक है.
So you met that merchandiser, right?
Yes.
So
So
what
after
magic
that,
did you create?
so very interesting. Like first lot, like I felt like there's a category jumpsuits ka which is empty. Like हमारे पूरा if I search Myntra, if I search First Cry, if I search any kids wear like section, jumpsuits were completely missing. Then I started with creating 8 to 10 jumpsuit styles and
Sure.
I given her कि ये ऐसे होगा ऐसे होगा. Then she made first set of samples. बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी न्यू कि मेरी गर्ल्स के लिए ही मुझे एक फैशन उनका सॉल्व करना था. Then I used to get sample and used to try on
You
the
had a customer in mind also.
yeah, हाँ, कि यही kid है जो jumpsuit ऐसा होना चाहिए which even they want to wear it to the like garden for a play, even to the play school. It should be conveniently made. Functionality also we have worked upon. What challenge I faced? The sizing which was coming from China, India and then US. So universally, जैसे women में we follow one style.
Yeah,
UK sizing, US sizing. मतलब there is like India kids wear में there's no sizing.
The standards are not common, right? I've also noticed that.
So then we created a size chart.
Acha.
We used to study multiple national and international brand to I created that size
Yeah.
which fit Indian body.
If you want us to keep bringing such amazing content and business hacks, please subscribe to our Clips channel, The Sonika Mata Show Clips.